What's up, y'all? So from the title of this video, you already know what's about to go down. I'm about to use purple hair paint wax. Like, I'm so excited because I've always wanted to use purple hair paint wax. Like, I've always wanted to dye my hair purple or have a purple hair color. So my hair is already moisturized. I did a wash and go from last night. So I'm just gonna put this hair paint wax in my hair. I don't know if y'all could see it. Hair paint wax. I will definitely put the link in the description, but yeah, stay tuned. Okay, so my hair's in the middle part, and I'm just gonna divide it into sections. Just I like this. I am really feeling it. Like, this color really pops severely. Like, what? Hold up. Y'all not even ready for me. Like, y'all not. Like, what? I'm a whole grape out here. And guys, this is the finished result of the hair paint wax. Like, I'm feeling it for real. It looks so bomb, so vibrant. Like, I'm really loving this color. Look at my hands, guys. Like, ooh. So guys, get you some hair paint wax today. You feel me? Because I feel like a cute ass grape, and I feel like you should too. Thanks for watching, guys. Till next time, peace out.